David McGugan from Hughes Ellard. I specialise in business space and in particular the industrial and logistics sector. The last 12 months have been very buoyant in the industrial and logistics sector, with take-up being markedly increased over the last couple of years. We've seen over 1 million square feet of transactions of units over 20,000 square feet within the Solent Corridor region. This is a marked increase of around 400,000 square feet from last year. We were always going to be relatively confident that this year was going to be a marked increase in uptake and lettings from last, and there is a general concern now that the lack of stock will drive the market, drive rents upwards and incentives down. This year particularly, we've seen the return to the logistics sector requiring larger unit space, so 3 key lettings being Harris Transport, UPS and DHL, all of which have taken space around the Southampton area for significant lettings. This year the stock levels have remained relatively buoyant, with a almost marked decrease in stock levels coming into the market. I think the reasoning or rationale behind it really in our areas is still down to a lack of stock, a lack of companies doing badly. So conversely, companies doing well in the area and expanding in the general, or it's a lease driven event. So a company that requires to move has very few or limited options. There's no developments currently planned on a speculative basis, however there's some key sites that are available. Tess Lane in Southampton, which will be coming forward, Harts Farm Way, which is being brought forward by the HCA over in Havant, and Dunsbury Hill Farm, which will be coming forward in the next couple of years. The Ford site will also be something to look forward to in a couple of years' time, which will be a big logistics site. So predictions for 2014, we will see a tightening again of the stock levels, with companies finding it more and more difficult to find good quality space. So we are hopeful that there will be some speculative or development coming forward within the next 2 to 3 years, really to increase that stock level and give us some better quality stock moving forward.